Hi, I'm Samantha Bosshart, the Executive Director of the Saratoga Springs Preservation Foundation, and I am so excited to be here today to see yet another spring in the park, our beloved Spa State Park, our National Historic Landmark restored. And it's really through our community that comes together to do this in partnership. And so to have the Spa State Park be a partner, to have the Friends of the Spa State Park be a part of this, and of course our wonderful community bank, Adirondack Trust. It really is really meaningful and is representative of our community. So congratulations to everyone involved, and thank you for your investment in our community and our park.
Hi, I'm Charles Waite, President of the Adirondack Trust Company, and first I want to thank everyone standing around me for their vision and leadership in making this project work. It's projects like these that beautify our community that are such a great thing for everyone, and we're happy to be supportive in any way we can.
Hi, I'm Helene Brecker. I'm the current president of the Friends of Saratoga Spa State Park, and I'm thrilled to share this honor with Phil Penzel, who to me is the motivating force for this water.
Hello, we had the opportunity by the park to establish a new spring. Originally it was in a cluster of trees, and then we got the opportunity to actually repair the well back from 1930s, and we had geysers coming out of this originally, but we had to balance the water and the gas, and we tied it all together, and finally it got it to start working, and this is what we ended up with. It's a beautiful addition to the state park.
On behalf of the Saratoga Capital District Commission for State Parks, Historic Sites and Recreation, I am proud to accept this award with all of these wonderful people who are part of this project. I am especially proud of the friends who were able to identify this wonderful spot underneath trees and grass and bushes. I'm extremely proud to have a community partner of the Adirondack Trust Company who has been so generous to the state park and helping in many projects, and we are extremely thankful for what you did for this project. When I brought Charles Waite Sr. here to look at this project, and it was just a little tiny hole in the ground with orange tape around it, he's going, "We want to do what here?" But I said, "We're going to make this beautiful, and it's going to be a wonderful project." So we are truly grateful for this wonderful project for the Spa State Park. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm David Guest, the park manager here at Saratoga Spa State Park. I'm really honored to accept this award from the Saratoga Springs Preservation Foundation. We are very excited to receive this, and we just wanted to thank our friends who spent a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of hours researching where this was and how we could get it going. I'd like to thank the Waite family and the Adirondack Trust Company for all of their financial contributions to actually be able to get us the funding for this project and many other projects. So we really appreciate that. And I'd like to thank Heather Mabey and our commissioners, as well as Elaine Balchinian, our regional director, who always champions these type of projects. And lastly, but not leastly, all of our park workers that embody the spirit of stewards for these natural resources.
As you know, Charles, when I brought your dad here and we started talking about the conception, the design of this, he said, "I really love stone benches because it's something that will last and be here forever, and not something that we have to maintain for a long period of time."
Absolutely.
So I'd really like the stone benches because I really want some place that seems like a nice quiet place that people can find a little respite when it's a crazy world that we live in right now. So this is how we ended up getting the stone benches. And then the fountain, I need to pass over to David because this was a park employee who found this fountain, and you need to tell the history behind this.
Right, so original design had just a bowl that was there, and then one of our park workers, Mark Holmes, was able to find this. This was come from the Washington bath. So we restored it, which is what we like to do. He restored it, and then we created this, and then you get a nice patina with the water flowing on it. So it's just really a beautiful project.